And police authorities are tracking down two riding in tandem criminals who struck in Cainta, Rizal this weekend. The victims, a media man and his wife. This report.
Another media personality got victimized by lawless elements, this time by riding in tandem. Merwin Lianza, reporter of IBC 13, and his wife last Sunday were about to enter their house when a gunman poked a gun on him while on board his car and looted away valuables amounting to as much as 30,000 pesos. The incident was caught on CCTV, but unfortunately, suspects were not clearly seen on cam. The daring suspects took only 15 seconds to execute their crime, who believed to have planned everything.
May napansin din akong dumaan na motor, magkaangkas, pero hindi ko naman nag-isip ng masama kasi marami namang residente dyan at may factory dyan sa harap namin, although dead end dyan. Nagbuksan, yung pala, yung dalawa, bumalik lang, pagbalik nila, nakabukas na rin to, saka sila nagdeklara ng hold up.
After what had happened to Lianza, two of his acquaintances also got victimized by lawless individuals using similar modus.
Yung isang kasamahan namin doon sa Baras, yung kung saan may maliit na negosyo kami ni Mrs. Dalawang beses na hold up at yung nung a day before na nangyari sa amin or a day after na nangyari sa amin, nangyari din sa kanila. Yung sinundan tapos sinundan dun hanggang dun sa bahay nila, pagdating dun sa gate saka naman nagdeklara ng hold up.
Cainta government and police authorities on the other hand assured that Lianza's case will be prioritized and all efforts will be exerted to solve the case. At present, police authorities already have two witnesses who possibly may help them in identifying the culprits, as the CCTV surely will help for the swift resolution of the crime committed.
I'm now asking and ordering our Chief of Police, Colonel Briones, to prioritize and then possibly identify if it's really that possible.
Nag-establish din kami ng mga witness lugar na yan. Actually, may nakuha na kami dalawa na sabi, gano'n ang kulay. So, binay-verify pa rin po natin yun. Although, ang hawak lang natin ngayon yung na-capture ng CCTV, malaking tulong po yun.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.